डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, यहाँ पे एक टेस्ट ट्यूब है, दिस इज टेस्ट ट्यूब बी. You have to take two test tubes, one A and another one is B. Two iron nails are immersed in a solution of copper sulfate. So the observations are, here iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution. So observations will be, this is test tube B, test tube B, this is test tube A. Test tube A contains copper sulfate solution only. Test tube B, iron nails were immersed inside the copper sulfate solution. This is the iron nail which is taken out from the copper sulfate solution, and this is the original iron nail which was not dipped in the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate solution in test tube B fades, the blue color fades, while in test tube A the copper sulfate solution is blue in color. And the iron nail which is taken out from copper sulfate solution, it turns brownish, its color becomes brownish in comparison to the iron nail not dipped in the copper sulfate solution. तो यहाँ पे जो केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है वो हो रही है सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. ओके, तो ये आयरन प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट फॉर्म कर रहा है आयरन सल्फेट एंड कॉपर. तो यहाँ पे आयरन सॉलिड स्टेट में था, कॉपर सल्फेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्वस सोल्यूशन था, प्रोडक्ट में फेरस सल्फेट सोल्यूशन बन गया एंड सॉलिड कॉपर इज obtained. So this type of reaction where a given element is displacing the another element from its salt is called single displacement reaction. Here iron is displacing copper from its salt. तो ये जो solid copper form हुआ है, this copper gets deposited on the iron nail. This copper gets deposited on the iron nail, as a result of which the color of the iron nail becomes brown. तो ये जो reaction है, iron in solid state, copper in the form of aqueous solution of its salt, iron displaces copper from aqueous solution of its salt, so it forms iron sulfate which is in aqueous solution now and solid copper is formed. ठीक है. In copper sulfate, copper is in ionic form और इस पे जो चार्ज है वो है +2 and iron here is in atomic form, neutral atom, charge is 0. Product में iron is a part of salt now, so iron goes into the ionic state and the charge on iron is +2 and copper now is in the solid form, it is in the atomic state and charge on it is 0. तो क्या हो रहा है, आयरन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट चेंज हो रहा है 0 से +2 में, कॉपर का चेंज हो रहा है +2 से 0 में. So now what is happening, iron is getting oxidized and copper is getting reduced. Copper is getting reduced from +2 to 0 oxidation state. Iron is getting oxidized from 0 to +2 oxidation state. ठीक है. इसको सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन क्यों बोलते हैं, इसको सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन